zoom. Shut up.
In Scotland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Let me just shut that radio up.
In northeastern South Carolina until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Purvis, or 12 miles north of Dillon.
Did you not activate? You didn't activate. Great.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Red Springs, Pembroke, Maxton, Roland, Hestertown.
The heck was that?
Robinson Community College. In Southeastern Regional Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Hold on, let me see if that's... Dude, did WXL 50 just crack?
North Central, Randolph, Lee, Southwestern Wake, and Southern Chatham counties through 5:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Robeson County and southeastern North Carolina. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over south of the border, or near Dillon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dillon, Roland, Hammer, south of the border, McDonald, Raynham, and the Cloud Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Shit, that's me.
Central North Carolina until 6:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Troy, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
What's this one?
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
We were just talking about how that station in Fayetteville doesn't activate.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Ooh, that's nasty looking.
They include Troy, Carthage, Eastgall, Robin,
We're gonna zoom in on that one.
Gander, High Falls, Eagle Springs, Glendon, and Seven Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There it go. Whatever. Let's see, does this include me?
Eastern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:15 p.m.
Nope.
At 5:41
I'm about to get a
p.m.,
double
a
header.
severe thunderstorm was located near Fairmont.
No, this is. That's what I say, because that is not the SVR.
Hazard.
Oh, shoot. Holy. Well, I'm not going to be using that recording.
Vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dillon, Fairmont, Roland, Lakeview, Boardman, Hammer, south of the border, Barnesville, Kemper, Marietta, Proctorville, McDonald, Orem, Raynham, and McLeod Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What is happening?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 651, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday.
What is happening? It's for me!
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid
Focus.
changing weather conditions and listen for later statements
You know
and
you want to.
warnings.
Oh, here we go again.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet
Focus.
latest severe weather information.